Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set up the face unlock feature on OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to add face data, then we need to go to the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down and find the option that is called security and privacy, and then go there. Over here scroll down and go to device unlock, and then at the bottom choose face and fingerprint unlock. Over here we have face. We can tap on this option in order to start configuring the face recognition feature. Now, if you don't use the lock screen, then you will need to set it up. And if you have the lock screen, then you will need to enter the PIN, password, or draw the pattern. After you set up the lock screen, if you didn't have it yet, then you will see this menu over here, where we can see the instructions that for the best results, we need to hold the device 20 centimeters to 50 centimeters from your face in an environment that is neither too bright nor too dim. So we're gonna press next. We will enable the front camera, and now we need to pretty much point the device towards our face in order to scan our face. Once you are done, you need to simply press done, and now you can use your face data in order to unlock your device. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!